Good morning students. So we have started this 22.2 exercise. In this we have covered till question number 8. Now we will discuss the questions after question number 8. So in question number 9, surface area of the cube is given and volume of cube has to be, we have to find. So how do we solve it? We will calculate let edge of cube is equals to A. So surface area means total surface area we will take, that is 6A square. Okay. Now this 6A square is given equal to how much? 138.24 centimeter square. So what is our A square? Divided by 6. So A square is 23.04. Then we will calculate A. A will be square root of 23.04. So then let's calculate the square root of 2304. So it will be 4 into 4 16, then 7, 8, the 04 will come here. So if I put the decimal, a decimal will come here. So what is the value of A? A is 4.8 centimeter. Okay. Next we have to calculate the volume of cube. So what we know, volume of cube is A cube, that is 4.8 cube. So 4.8 cube is 110.592 centimeter cube. Okay. Then in question number 10, okay, so I am solving this question in front of this question because they both are like the same. So in question number 10, what is given? Volume of cube is given this time, that is 8000 centimeter cube, and we have to find the total surface area. Okay, so in the previous question, in this question what was given? Surface area was given, and with the help of this we have to find the volume. In this, volume is given, and with the help of this we have to find the total surface area. So what we are going to do, again we will assume let edge of cube is equals to A. So what we know, volume is A cube, and this A cube is given as 8000. So we will take the cube root of 8000, and that we can write as 20 into 20 into 20, so it is 20 centimeter. So our edge is 20 centimeter. Next we have to find the total surface area. So total surface area is 6A square. So it is 6A square, 6 into 20 square, that is 2400 centimeter square. Okay, so in the questions like so this, you first find the edge of the cube, then you will proceed to find the whatever is asked, whether volume or surface area is asked. Then question number then in question number 12, the ratio of volumes is given as 64:125, and we have to calculate the ratio of sides. So what we are going to do, let sides be A1 and A2. Okay, so what we have to calculate, so what is V1? V1 is A1 cube, okay, cube of this, and V2 is A2 cube. So what is given? V1 is 2, V2 is given A2 cube. Now we will write 64/125 is equals to A1 cube upon A2 cube. So like we have studied in case of the exponents, what we know, we can write it as A1 upon A2 whole cube equal to 64/125. Then for removing this cube root, cube sign, what we have done, taking the cube root, similarly here also we will take the cube root. So A1 upon A2 will be, this 64 we will write 4 into 4 into 4, and 125 we will write 5 into 5 into 5 to the power 1/3. So it will give you 4/5. So what is the ratio of sides? Ratio of sides will be how much? 4:5. Okay. Then similarly 13th question is also like the same. So 13th question, what is given? Ratio of the surface areas is given. That is, if I take total surface area 1 to the total surface area of second cube, that is 2, it is given as 49:81. Then we have to find the ratio of their volumes. That is, we have to find V1:V2. Okay. So we will proceed like this. We have proceeded in start this question. Let sides equal to A1 and A2. Okay, like we have started in the previous question. So what is total surface area? 1, 6 A1 square, and total surface area of second cube will be 6 A2 square. Then we will divided by total surface area of 2, 6 A1 square, 6 A2 square. So 6 and 6 cancel. We will write it as A1 upon A2 whole square. Okay. Now the ratio of these two is given as 49/81. So we will write A1 upon A2 whole square equal to 49/81. That means A1 upon A2 is, we have to take the square root. So that will be 7/9. Okay. So this is our A1 upon A2. 7 upon 9. Now with the help of this A1 upon A2, we will find the ratio of volume. So V1 upon V2 will be how much? A1 cube upon A2 cube. That is 7 upon 9 whole cube. So it is 343 upon 729. Okay, so in this question, ratio of volume was there. So we have to calculate the ratio of the side. In this, ratio of total surface area was given. With the help of this, we have to calculate the ratio of volumes of these two cubes. Okay, so this is it. In the next video, we will discuss the questions after question number 13.